I am just a poor boy, though my story's seldom told. I have squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in a company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters, where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Lie, lie, lie. La 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 la. Asking only workman's wages, I come looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just to come on from the whores on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times that I was so lonesome I took some comfort there. Sha-da-da-la-la-la-la. La-la-la. La-la-la-la-la-la-la. La-la-la. La-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Then I'm laying out my winter clothes, wishing I was gone, going home, where the New York City winters aren't bleeding me, leading me, going home. In the clearing stands the boxer and the fighter by his trade, and he carries the reminder of every glove that laid him down or cut him till he cried out in his anger and his shame, I am leaving, but the fighter still remains. Lie, lie, lie.